Hey y'all, I'm Melissa Guerra. I'm the Kitchen Wrangler, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join me here and get all of the great recipes from here in South Texas. This week I am sharing a recipe with you for chicken taco salad. Now, I really love this salad because you can make it with any type of leftover chicken. You can even make it with rotisserie chicken. I eat a lot of rotisserie chicken. I mean, who doesn't? So if you have a few ingredients together, you can put together this really wonderful salad. So let's get started. First, you're gonna need some chicken. If you have leftover chicken from a weekend barbecue, or the rotisserie chicken, any of the above would be great. Now, what works really well is chicken breast because it shreds really beautifully, just like those shredded chicken tacos that we all love. So I roasted a chicken breast with loads of pepper and sea salt, but I'm gonna remove the skin because it doesn't shred all that well, and I'm gonna use 2 forks and I'm gonna shred it into little threads. Now let's set the chicken aside while we make our dressing. We're gonna make a fresh dressing that has loads of flavor. We're gonna use a smoked paprika, which is gonna be the basis of the flavor. You'll need olive oil, apple cider vinegar, a clove of garlic, some smoked paprika, some onion powder, a pinch of cumin, and salt to taste. Whisk that up, and then we're going to take all of our chicken and add half of the dressing to the shredded chicken. Toss it around until it gets really nicely coated with the salad dressing. So the dressing that we made is gonna go not only on the chicken, but on the salad greens as well. What you'll need for your salad is greens enough for 2 salads. Oh, I forgot to say, this recipe is for 2 salads. So for 2 people. So you'll need enough salad greens for 2 people. You'll need half a cucumber sliced. You'll need 1 tomato that's diced. I'm gonna chop up some green onions. I've got some cute little radishes that I'm gonna add to the side. I have half an avocado that I've squeezed with lemon. I'm gonna fill that with some sour cream and put a little salsa on top. And yes, this is a salsa that I just made in my last video. If you haven't seen that video on how to roast chiles, you should check that out. I have some crumbled queso fresco, a little cilantro. I'm adding some lime wedges, and I also have some tortilla strips that I made. Now, if you are thinking healthy these days and you have a keto diet, you can substitute pork rinds for these tortilla strips, but I really like the tortilla strips. Add your chicken on top of the greens, and then we're gonna finish the whole thing off with our beautiful taco salad dressing. And that's it. I know that this is a little different from a regular taco salad, but if you have leftover chicken, there's kind of nothing to cook. It's all cooked, it's all ready to go. So I love this version. Now I know this is different than a beef taco salad, but I really like this version because if you play your cards right, you don't have to cook a thing. You're using up leftover chicken and you're getting this really great dressing as well. The dressing has a little bit of taco flavor. I just love it. How easy was that? A chicken taco salad, and it didn't take us any time at all. Well, you know, I'm always so happy to hear from y'all. If you have any questions, you can message me at help@kitchenwrangler.com, or you can message me through Twitter, through Instagram, through TikTok, through Facebook, or even here on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe. I'm always looking forward to hearing from you. I'm Melissa Guerra. I'm the Kitchen Wrangler, and I'm looking forward to seeing you here at the ranch again soon. Bye now.